DJT stock analysis and DJT stock prediction. These are the buy right now. Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. Trump Media stock sitting at $29.21 is like 7.4% off for the day. This is how my chart looks like here. Boom. In order for me to buy, because this, you know, it's pointed towards the upside, so I'm relatively looking for a buy, right? Yeah, in order for me to be bullish like this, because I'm not just going to be right off the bat, the price will need to start breaking above 30.41 first. And then we're talking about the second range, in which it really matters if we first break that high. So I will begin with really just waiting for the price to start breaking above 30.41. Anything else, just complete noise, and I would not be interested. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars, and I will be seeing you in the next one. And by the way, yeah, I mean, if it just keeps going down, so be it. I'm just going to get rid of this, you know, and maybe even capitalize on the short side on the short term, but we're going to see.